Hi friends, let us solve this problem. We have under root x plus root x minus under root x minus root x equals 3 by 2 under root x by x plus root x. This problem is actually giving us a hint which we should not ignore. There is x plus root x, there is x minus root x. Right, probably if we multiply both, then we can get rid of something. Right, then this x plus root x and again x plus root x in denominator. Right. So if you multiply all these three terms with under root x plus root x, we can get rid of this root. And then this becomes x square minus x. And here the denominator will also go away. Right. Let us use that hint. Let us multiply everything and see. Right. Let us multiply all these three terms with under root x plus root x. So the first term will become x plus root x. Right. Second term will become under root x plus root x into x minus root x. That is x square minus root x square, which is x square minus x. Right? Second term will become. And third term, this denominator will go away. We'll be left with 3 by 2 into root x. Basically, we are multiplying everything with this term. Right? Left hand side also, right hand side also, we are multiplying with the same term. So, we are not actually changing anything, just that we are simplifying the product where we are simplifying the problem. Right. So now here what does this mean? X plus root x minus under root x into x minus 1. Right. Under root x into x minus 1. Right. Equals 3 by 2x. Then if you simplify this, then this root x and this 3 by 2 root x. If you send this root x this side, 3 by 2 root x minus root x. What is that? Half root x. Right. So here we are left with x minus under root x square minus x. Under root x square minus x is under root x into x minus 1. What is x? X is root x into root x. Right. We want to cancel this root x. That's what we are doing. We will write x as under root x into under root x and under root x square minus x as under root x into under root x minus 1 is equal to half root x. So that we can cancel all this root x's. Right, we'll be left with root x minus, we'll be left with this term and this side half, these three only. Right, root x minus 1 equals half. What does that mean? If we do the cross multiplication, 2 times root x minus 2 times root x minus 1 equals 1. Right. So let us take one of them to the other side. Right. One of them to the other side. So then it becomes 2 into root x minus this 1 equals 2 into root x minus 1. Right. This is much more simplified. Basically, this is again a simplified version of our own original equation. Right. Now this is much more simplified. Let us square this. Let us square this. Then this becomes 4x, right? Square of 2 root x is 4x, right? 4x plus 1 minus 2 times 2 root x, right? That is 2 times 2 root x is minus 4x. This is square of the left hand side. What is square of right hand side? 4 into x minus 1. That is 4x minus 4. The right hand side is 4x minus 4. So this 4x and this 4x will get cancelled, right? So, and this 1 plus 4 will become 5 and 4 root x we can send it to the other side. So 5 equals 4 root x, that means 5 by 4 equals root x, that means x equals 5 by 4 whole square, which is 25 by 16. So this is the answer, right guys? It's a simple problem, just that we need to identify this similarity, this hint and this trick, and then multiply and simplify, right guys? Hope you like this. Thank you.